I will ask you a question. These questions don't have answers. This is for your contemplation, for Jnana Yoga type of meditation. When you do pranayama, you can do it in many ways. When you are doing breath regulation, okay, you are inhaling and exhaling, and you are regulating that inhalation and exhalation. Now ask yourself, start wondering about this. At what point do you call that molecule of air as me? When does that become you? Is it after it enters the nostril it becomes you, or is it when it enters the throat it becomes you, or is it when it enters the lungs it is you, or is it in the bloodstream it is you, or is it in the cells it is you? When does it become you? Where is that boundary between not me and me? Start thinking about it. There is no answer. Don't conclude right away. Just start wondering, because those air molecules getting distributed into the body, and that is what is getting converted into your body. The same oxygen cells are becoming your body. The food that you eat is becoming your body. It's not something else. So ask yourself this question: when does that atom, or when do those molecules become me? Where is the boundary? When do I start calling itself as me? And when do I stop calling itself as me? Is there a physical boundary? Is it that when you put the food in the mouth it becomes you, or is it only if it in the stomach it is you, or is it after it is digested it is you? When does it become you? Too heavy? There is no answer for this, but start wondering. Is there some specific chemical process? Is there a specific chemical reaction after which it becomes you? So when you are breathing, try to wonder about that.